Hi everyone, and welcome to FoxLearn. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to build a sleek animated login form using C# and Visual Studio. Let's get started. Open your Visual Studio and create a new project. Select Windows Forms app and give your project a name. Make sure to choose the latest target framework. For this tutorial, we're using .NET 9. Now that the project is created, let's adjust the form settings. We'll start by removing the default control box and changing the border style for a cleaner, modern look. In the Properties window, set the control box to false and form border style to none. This will give us a flat UI. Next, add a panel to the top of the form. Open the toolbox, drag the panel control onto the form, place it at the top, and set its dock property to top. Next, let's add a second panel for the main content. Set its dock property to fill so that it occupies all the remaining space on the forms. Now, let's add an exit button. Drag a button control from the toolbox onto the panel. Resize and position the button to your liking. This button will serve as our close button, so let's customize it to look sleek and modern. To make our login form really pop, let's add some animation. Drag a PictureBox control into the second panel. This will be used to display the animation. Now let's design the login form. Start by dragging the following controls from the toolbox into the second panel. A label for the title, like Login. 2 text boxes, one for the username and one for the password. A checkbox labeled Remember Me. Add a button to trigger the login action and then include 2 link labels, one for Forgot Password and another for Create New Account. We will set the placeholder text for each text box, and for the password text box, remember to enable the password character to hide the input. To make it more fun, we'll use an animated GIF. I created one with Leonardo AI, turned it into a video using Kling AI, and then converted that video into a GIF online. Finally, add the GIF to the PictureBox control. Now that the controls are added, place them above the picture box. Select all the controls, drag them onto the picture box, and set their bring to front property to ensure they appear above the animation. Now let's make the controls blend smoothly with the animated background. Set each control's back color to transparent and adjust the fore color. I'm choosing white for a clean look, but you can pick any color that matches your theme. Let's move on to the code. Select the form, then go to the Properties window and double-click the load event to generate the form load method. In the form load event, we'll set the parent for each control, ensuring they're attached to the form correctly. This step makes sure the controls are positioned and rendered properly on the form. Now, let's handle the close button. Select the Exit button, go to the Events section, and double-click the Click event. Inside the event handler, simply call the Close method to close the form when the button is clicked. And that's it. You've just created a modern animated login form in C# using Visual Studio. With a few simple steps, you've added animations, a sleek UI, and functional controls. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome coding tutorials. Thanks for watching Fox Learn, and I'll see you in the next video.